Hey guys, so we are back out at Zombie Tints and Wraps again today. Some other nice cars here, but yeah, there's the old workshop. So yeah, back out here today. As you know, I fit the visor recently. So these guys very kindly did the sun strip for me with the sticker, and then I went and put a visor and covered it up. Oops. So they're going to put a new sticker on the sun visor for me, which is really nice of them. So hopefully we'll get a bit of footage of that, hopefully, but I don't know if we will. But I'll show you what it looks like after. It's just another short video today, just an update on what it's going to look like. Okay, so yeah, they've really outdone themselves again. It looks super smart on them. I'll try and edit up as best as I can, you know, that going on there and everything, but yeah, super smart. So yeah, jump on with these guys. They are really worth sort of going to, because they've done a brilliant job with the sticker, the tints, everything else you've seen on this car. So hopefully we're going to get a bit more done soon, so we're planning a bit more with these guys. So they are really good, and you know, I've really appreciated everything they've done for the Freelander so far. So yeah, now on to the next bit. Okay, so hope you enjoyed that one, guys. Like I say, I hope you can appreciate sort of just how much work these guys put into everything they do. Like I say, that they could just do a simple sticker for that zombie face, but no, they really put the effort in and do like a multi-layered sort of vinyl, which I think is really cool. It looks amazing on there. So yeah, they put a really lot of effort into that. So on to the next bit, which I said earlier on. Thought I'd help these guys out a little bit, because they've done so much for me. They're hosting a little competition. I'll put sort of full links in the description below, but effectively what they're doing at the moment is a little competition where you can win £2,000 worth of sort of vinyl wrap. I think when you enter, there's a quick sort of question. It's really, really simple and easy. One question, answer that one, you're in. And I think it's £5 per ticket. They're trying to get 390 sold, and they're giving the extra 10 away as part of sort of competitions that they're running as well. But yeah, really, really, really cool. So yeah, I'll put the details in the link. But yeah, hopefully, you never know, one of my viewers might be one of the lucky one. Well, might be the lucky one that wins. But yeah, if you head to their website, it's got all the sort of terms and conditions on there, etc. It's pretty simple. It is effectively on the website. Really simple, quick question. Answer that. £5 per ticket. You can do as many tickets as you want. You could do all 390 if you want to. Don't know why you would. You could do as many tickets as you want. And I think they're announcing it next week. I don't know when this video is going to go out, but hopefully it will go out before they announce it. But yeah, you never know. It could look quite cool on a Freelander, or for any other vehicle that's watching this, or a person watching this with any vehicle. But yeah, just thought I'd sort of throw that in there, because you know, these guys have been really good and they're really nice every time I go down there. So follow them on Instagram, follow them on Facebook as well. They've always got really cool, interesting projects going on, not just mine. There's loads of stuff they do, and it's always really fun to watch. So yeah, follow them on both of those, and yeah, I'll see you next time.